You've seen the stock market on the news, numbers, arrows, chaos, but it's not as complicated as it looks. Think of it like your local farmer's market. Instead of apples, you're buying a tiny piece of a company. Why? Because you believe that company will grow, and if it does, your piece becomes more valuable. You're not just a customer, you're an owner, betting on success. The stock market isn't a secret club, it's open to anyone ready to put their money to work. You get to choose, own a slice of your favorite smartphone maker or that coffee shop on every corner. Investing means backing ideas and futures, not just products. This isn't gambling, it's about doing your homework and supporting companies you believe in. The stock market is your chance to grow your money faster than a savings account ever could. Don't let fear or complexity stop you. The opportunity is real and it's yours for the taking. Be smart, be informed, and get ready to build wealth. It all starts with understanding it's just a market and you're the savvy shopper. Anyone can do this. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom is getting started. So, are you ready to take your first step? Booyah! So, what's a stock? Imagine a company as a giant pizza sliced into millions of pieces. Each slice is a stock. When you buy one, you own a piece of that company. Companies sell stocks to raise money to grow, hire, build, innovate. You invest cash, and if the company succeeds, your slice becomes more valuable. That's the engine of capitalism. You help companies grow and you share in their success. As a shareholder, you might even get dividends, extra toppings on your slice. People buy stocks to build wealth, save for retirement, or gain financial freedom. Your money works for you, growing over time. Stocks aren't just numbers, they're your ticket to a better future. Whether it's for college, a house, or just peace of mind, investing in stocks is a powerful tool. It's about turning your dollars into opportunity. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow. That's why you should care. Let's break down the jargon. Bull market? That's when stocks are rising, optimism, growth, and profits. Bear market? Prices fall, people panic, but it's also when smart investors find bargains. Don't fear the bear, prepare for it. To track the market, look at indexes like the S&P 500, Dow Jones, or NASDAQ. These are baskets of stocks that show how the market's doing overall. A stock is your slice of the company pie. A shareholder is you, the owner. Bull means up, bear means down, and an index is your scoreboard. Knowing these terms gives you confidence. No more being intimidated by Wall Street talk. You're already ahead of the game. Let's keep going. Ready to invest? Start slow, don't throw in your life savings all at once. Begin with an amount you can afford to lose. Think of it as tuition for learning. Your first goal isn't to get rich, it's to learn how the market works. Do your homework. Only buy stocks in companies you understand. If you can't explain what they do, don't invest. The market will go up and down. Don't panic when prices drop. If you've done your research, trust your decisions and stay patient. The biggest mistake? Selling in fear. The winners buy low, sell high. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Find good companies, buy at fair prices, and let them grow. The stock market is the greatest wealth-building machine ever. You have the tools and the knowledge. All you need now is the courage to start. So what are you waiting for? Booyah!